Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Wednesday. The markets continue to be quite volatile, particularly the cotton market. As you know, we were sharply lower on Monday, allegedly because of the news that China was going to lower the price she was willing to pay to put cotton in her state reserves, or at least that was the general consensus of that story. But then today, or rather yesterday afternoon, the market spiked up and went limit up based on the notion that USDA put out their final cotton Jennings report for last year, and it came in less than what the crop was. So the market shot up on that, already knowing that there were tight stocks. And then today we really spiked up and then collapsed. So that may be it for the old crop cotton market for now. As you know, we tend to make highs in old crop cotton in the month of March. We've done that since 2010. We did it in 2010. 2011 was the big $2 high. 2012 was basically a February high, and 2013 was a high. And here we are, 2014, and most likely we've made a high. That doesn't preclude the December cotton from coming back up later on, and we still think it could do that simply because we don't have a seed in the ground, and we don't know the acres or the weather or any of those type important fundamentals, so we're not quite ready to write off the new crop cotton as a failure yet. Wheat today seeing some pretty good profit taking. Of course, the wheat and crop in Kansas has been deteriorating. That's one reason that the markets come up. The other is the thing in the Ukraine, and that's sort of backing off a little bit, I guess, although I don't think Mr. Putin, I don't think his appetite for seizing land is through yet, but we'll see. Beans today have recovered. There's some trouble in South America with some of the weather, we understand, maybe a cargo of beans canceled down there. And so the bean market, for whatever reason, is rallying. Interestingly, that people are looking for more bean acres on this report come Monday. As a matter of fact, somebody suggested maybe somehow buying the old crop bean, selling the new crop bean, because if we're going to have tight stocks, that should drive old crop beans up. If you have more acres, that should drive new crop beans down. So that's something to, I guess, ponder. Over in the corn market today, there was some rejection of some cargoes of corn by China. I think that's just a market ploy to get corn cheaper so they can buy it. It was pretty much a convenient tool for them to reject it based on some GMO rules or something. But corn slightly down today. But, of course, again, the big number comes out on Monday. We do have exports tomorrow, and that's kind of important too, so we'll see. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.